into the breed with a pit bull or a Rottweiler or a German Shepherd, you can't just say, well, all I want is. Because number one, if you carry this dog home and you have your friends coming around, teasing your dog, provoking your dog, when your little brother come outside, or your mommy come outside, the hind close on the line, what you know is going to happen up? She's going to get attacked. Then what happens? The same dog you prize and you spend all this money on, the police going to come there, take it, put it to sleep, and you can get time in jail. And what? You're giving bad name to the breed. For one like me, I'd rather dress my dog up, put him on the truck, carry him to the beach, and play with him, than to have any one of my friends come around my house and teasing my dog. I have 6 of them. And ain't none of one of my friends can come to my yard and provoke my dog. If you even come to my fence and kick my fence, I will point you rock. I don't let no one provoke my dog. And out here, if any one of y'all were to walk up to this dog and provoke him, it would be me and y'all. I would put my dog on a stay, and I would stand toe to toe with anyone who would provoke my dog. Because of why? I know what the dog can do, and I ain't gonna let no one disrespect the breed of the dog. Too much times these dogs get a bad reputation from why? People want them and don't know what to do with them. You can't go behind your boys. Because a lot of times, that's just how a lot of us get in trouble. We fall our friends, and when you don't get in trouble where your friend is be, home eating, sitting up in front of the TV, and where we be. Either up there in front of the police station, or someplace gotta be hiding. Ain't no bad people surviving no more. Badness all the style long night. And all bad fellas them, they like getting shorter and shorter every day. I mean, it seems like fun when you're out there doing it, but at the end of the day, either your parents